Good morning, and in this occasion, in this moment, I'm going to talk about the industrial automation. This is an exposition for mechatronic engineer, and let's start with this. Mm, and fact that all we need to know is their companies have to need to improve the production system, making them increasingly effective and fast. For this reason is that they resort to industrial automation since this way production is accelerated and more profits can be obtained. The automated process. The industrial automation is the use of technologies for the control and monitoring of industrial process, apparatus, device, or machines, which as general rule are repetitive functions, making them work automatically minim- minimizing human intervention, and that's and we know that the all industries need to produce more fast and better their products, and one answer for all the questions of how they can do it faster and better, it's use of mechatronic systems that that will be and that will be easier and cheaper to to use the human work, intervention, and the empresses can reach as other level of production and can produce more products and in short times. The automation technologies is a fact that all in the mechatronic engineer need to know, because the technologies that have made the development of modern industry possible have been the electricity and industrial electronics, the industrial pneumatics, the hydraulics, PLCs, that is a programming automata, the advantage of communications, and industrial robots. As you can see, industrial robotics appears for the first time as a part of that process automation process. Therefore, automation is not simply putting a robot in an industrial cell. It goes much further. When we can use a PLC, and the programmable automate in to make your line of productions that are machines like robotic arms, and like we can see in this picture, and all these movements, all these things that they do, it's are programmed by in a PLC that we program it, and this is a process that they can then the machines can't fail, because their program is need to be perfect and they can do it better than a human, and it's more safe to humans that use machines to do these works. The automated production lines exist almost from the moment of industrial revolutions. Thanks to this, production process have been streamlined, revisions are accelerated, and constant improvements in the working method are allowed, reducing the heavy work since the line was communicate since then to transport each piece or finished product. In this case, the human factor is dedicated to equipment supervision and maintenance, in addition to direct manual work in certain areas that require greater care. The automated product lines, it's uh, it's better to use in process that are, first we need to do this thing. An example in the An example is in a car when the price do need to do a car, automobile. First, they need to do all the armazen. After that, they put the motor inside of the car. After the all the all the things that the car needs to have, the wheels and that things. But they always have a process. Then first, then after that, other things, and it's easier to do if if we if the process is in only line and not in a lot of areas that's slow to the price, and that that produce fail in their costs. The conclusion: industrial automation aims to improve production and make it more effective. Therefore, the use of production lines has become a necessary system for all companies. To meet all the sales needs that are required under this is growing up. Automatic systems like all technology advantage and develop improvements as the years go by and new scientific advances are discovered. Okay, that's all for in this exposition, and thanks for your time and see you later.